Have you ever thought about learning a new language? What about learning a language of the future? Today we're going to be talking about a revolutionary coding system called Python. Without further ado, let's get started. Here are a couple of steps to get you going. First off, you're going to need a Python development environment. A popular free and open source option is the idle environment that comes with the Python installation, or there's PyCharm. Another option is Anaconda, a powerful platform that includes many libraries and tools for data science and machine learning. Practice writing and running code. Write simple programs to practice using variables, data types, loops, functions, and other basic concepts. Try to run your code regularly and make sure you understand the output. Explore the standard library. The Python standard library contains a wide range of modules that provide a lot of functionality without requiring any additional installation. This is plug and play at its best. Here are a few app ideas for beginners to try. The code source is ChatGPT. To get a better idea of how to get the code in ChatGPT, watch my other video or drop me a line. Let's start by putting in the code for a guess the numbers game. It's a simple game where the computer generates a random number and the user tries to guess what it is. The actual code is at the end of the video. We'll also be covering a to-do list app and how to build a simple weather app. Keep on watching. Pause the screen to get the code, practice writing it in to get used to how it's doing, and subscribe to find out how to write a weather app and a to-do list app. Thank you for watching.